take it out, burns again. World biggest matches. Put it underground, underwater, take it out, burns again. Pretty crazy, right? Boom. That's insane. This side here, weirdest hair dryer. That's hilarious. I can't believe this invention. The world's smallest phone charger. So simply plug in into here and into here. And the second one, you see how it slides in perfectly. iPhone, and boom, charge your phone. That is crazy. How about non-spill drinking cup? Whoops, if I try to punch it or a kid punches it, it's not gonna fall. If they punching it, maybe slides a little, but it doesn't fall. Also, when you drink it, does not create vacuum, so easy good flow. One of the coolest walnut cracker. Check this out. So just stick it in there and just press it. Boom. And then you have it really nicely broke too. And it's even make it into halves. This side here, a zipper knife. Press this too and release it. Simply make a loop and it will hold really nice. You can even do this on any kind of hoodie. And you have right here with you a little box opener knife that easy detachable. Frame lock, lock it in, put it back on a zipper and use it as an actual zipper. Pretty cool. How about dental floss dispenser? Press it on this side or on this side, it'll come off like that. So that way it sits there nice and neat and you don't have to touch them all at once. That's cool. To refill it, just put it in like this and then just drop them all in. Pull this out, lock it in. And again, press this, it'll take out from here and one from here. Pretty crazy. Dog drinking water bottle. Just flip it open, twist this on open, and then just press the bottle and the water will go up. And if you let go of the bottle, the water will go back inside the bottle. Now let's see if they like it. Oh yeah, guys like it. No? You don't want any water? Hugo always drinks out of it. Don't want it? It'll go back inside there, so we don't waste any water. Light up koozie. Check this out. So you press it, a flash or a regular light or no light. And it can go on any kind of bottle, so that way your drink stays cooler longer. That's the idea. Or it doesn't cool off your hands. And then there's a light right here. Flashing. Pretty awesome. This side here, camping sink. Comes with a holder and it opens up and boom. Looks like almost a water bowl for the dogs. And as you can see, it's not standing. Once you fill it up, it will actually stand pretty good. Okay, let's fill it up. And as you can see, it just lifts up. Instead of overspilling, it's floating up. And boom, you got it here, camping sink anywhere. How about bungee cords with the carabiners instead of just hooks? So definitely and a huge upgrade, so that way it does not come off. Got it here, Nerf tennis ball launcher. You see, you reset it, launch it, and then press the button and reset it again. There's the miniature ball set here. Set, go! Oh my god, that is so weak. Put it in really nice and tight. Let's see. That is so weak. Wow, that's disappointing. Check this out again. Load it up. Launch it. Gas! And look how big that is. That is nothing. I could honestly throw like barely throw it farther without the launcher. Not even trying it, it's like double the distance. Wow. This right here is way better. Look how far it goes. Reload. It just flies so far. Come on, bring it back. So the lighter attachment from these cheap lighters, what you will do is just remove this top part, is grab a tool and take off the drum with a flint and a spring. Then we'll take this attachment and put this lighter into here and close it up, and it will light up. And then we have a torch lighter from a cheap lighter, and you can replace, and once you run out you can either refill it or buy another really cheap lighter like that and do the same process. Plug it in, put it in, and becomes a torch lighter. That's amazing. UST fire striker, you gotta push right here and then it will spark. A little bit right here on the rock. The only problem is doesn't give away too much spark. There's also zipper striker. It's kinda unique. Let's see how it does. Boom, one strike, it's on fire. One more time. Just stack a bunch of stuff and it will get on fire pretty easy. And I got zip light. Just twist it and light on and off. Put it to the zipper. Flip it around, boom, and you have light on the zipper. How cool is that? Super simple, and now it's easy to actually grab the zipper and open it and close it too. This side here, cheapest strikeable fire starter, and looks like they have improved by a lot. Look how easy it is to break it open. Okay. Wow, that's definitely been improved by a lot. I have tested this before. They have definitely have a better striker. And look, I don't have to hold it upside down. I remember it was way weaker. This is gonna be my go-to fire lighters, fire starters. Look how powerful that is, and I'm holding it upright and it's lighting up super fast. So if I hold it down this way, it will light up even better. So wow, they have improved these things quite a bit, and look how much it's burning. It's awesome. Got it here, SOG access card. So you open it this way, pretty nice and comfortable. Press it and close it. Super cool. Very soft, as you can see. High quality. And also there's right here some kind of screwdriver or pick. Very cool and unique invention for sure.